Are they saying something? I can't hear anything.
Are you serious?
Go ahead and wear this for me.
Can you hear me? Oh, I can hear him too. Alright, so you're gonna hear a series of different tones.
First time you've ever done this, huh?
Yes.
Present the tone to him, and if he hears, then you're going to turn it down 10 dB.
We're gonna test for his understanding capabilities.
I'm gonna give you a list of words. I just need you to do your best to repeat them back to me.
All of us have these word lists memorized by this point, so if he misses any words, that's on him.
Can you hear the word bill? Can you hear the word west?
I'm gonna do one more thing. Just kind of mouth the words as if there's no volume coming out. Sounds great, sounds great. Might as well have a little bit of fun with him in there.
Can I pass?
You failed.
Can you tell they're siblings?